If you don't close your own knife, you probably have very bad luck at all times. Ooh! Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today we're doing something different again. We like doing different stuff here. Today, we're gonna be doing a little unboxing. We're unboxing the StarCraft Solo. I guess we'll just get into it? Yep, we're getting into it. Doing it live. Rip this open. Cool. It's like Christmas. I feel like I'm opening presents. It's great. I feel like a child again. Get out of here. You're gonna be the main camera now. Okay, spin her around. Yeah. We're gonna experience this together. You ready? Ready for this magic to happen? Ooh. Clearly, it comes in plastic and its own special shipping box. This is the fun part. This is where it gets nifty. Get out of there. Come on, man. Making me look stupid. This is what we're working with. Look how pretty this box is. Y'all see this? Solo. It's all coming together now. Bringing the knife back. Close your knives. It's good luck. If you don't close your own knife, you probably have very bad luck at all times. Ooh. So side note, I'm doing this all for the first time with y'all. I haven't unboxed one before. Get out of here. So yeah, this is what we're doing. This is what we're going with. Look at this. Look how nifty that is. Look at that. Look at that. What does that say? Create with unlimited possibility. You should for sure scan this QR code. Okay, bye. That's so cool. So, upon opening this up, it looks like we have our cutting mat first, all sleek and new. Get out of here, plastic. Look at that, how pretty it is. It hasn't been tainted by the world yet. It's amazing. All right, we're gonna set you over here. All right, what do we got here? We got a box. We got another box inside the box. Baby box, if you will. Okay, what's in said baby box? Come here for this. What is this? Okay, got the power cable, set there right here. Looks like we got our pen tool and our cutter and replaceable blades right here. Nifty, nifty. That over here too. Looks like, what kind of USB is this? We got some kind of USB. This is the USB that connects the Solo to your computer. I don't know what kind of it, 2M? Certified high speed? It's a certified, oh, it's a USB 2.0. I can't read. What we got in this? Baby box goes away now. Say goodbye to the baby box. What's this? Seriously, what is this? Ah, it's the other end. So you take your other plug in right here. You take this plug in, you take this plug in, and you force them together. Look at that. You got the whole charging thing now. This is the end that goes in the Solo. It would seem this is the end that goes in the wall. All put together. Here comes the fun part. This is cool. Don't shake your Solo around. I'm a professional. Oh, look, they're twins. Look at them. They're twins. Get out of here. Look how sleek. Can't tell I'm enjoying myself a little bit. Where'd my knife go? Bringing back the knife. Closing the knife. Good luck and safety. Let's see if I can. Oh, it's already open on this end. You didn't see that. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, it's fine. It was just our lowering and heightening thing. No biggie. So I'm gonna go out on a limb here and assume I don't want to turn this on until I get these right here off. I got my clippies. No, they're not clippies. I don't know what they're called. Wire cutters? That's not what they are, but it'll function. Make sure you don't cut your, what is this called? The belt? I'm assuming that's called like a belt. It looks like a belt. This thing, you don't want to mess with it too much. Don't touch it. We got that one off. That off. Okay, everything seems to be rolling properly. Do these need to come off? No? No, those roll. Okay, that stays. Anything funky? Go ahead and move this. Move this up here, get it out the way. Stop that. We're as close to setup as we can be like the other one. Okay, his hands are goopy now. I don't like it. So that'll do it for the unboxing portion. Come back for part 2 where we actually set it up for the first time. We're gonna get this one out the way and we're gonna set up the Create software and then take you through the setup process, how to put it together and how to get it working for your first cut. So yeah, cool. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.